You are welcome again. Now, let's solve this question before us. An object drops to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meter tall. How long does it take to reach the ground? From the question here, we are going to have x, which is the distance or the height of the place where the object dropped from, and it was given to us as 45 meter tall, just x equal to 45. And since the object is falling, we have g, which is the acceleration due to gravity, as 10 meter per second squared. Then we're looking for how long, which is time. How long does it take to reach the ground? That is time. To solve this, we're going to use this equation of motion, which is x is equal to ut plus half gt squared. Note, this equation was derived from this one, x equal to ut plus half at squared, where a is acceleration and g is acceleration due to gravity. Because the object is falling, the acceleration of the body is equal to the acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, using this equation to solve, and we should also note that before the body started dropping, it was initially at rest, so u is equal to 0. We now get 45 is equal to 0 times t plus half times 10 times t squared. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 10 is 5. Then we have that 45 is equal to 0 times t is 0 plus 5t squared. Then 45 is equal to 0 plus this 0, 5t squared. Then t squared is equal to 45 divided by 5. Divided both sides by 5 gives us this. When we divide that, give us t squared is equal to 9. Next, we take the square root of both sides. Square root of t squared is equal to square root of 9. Therefore, we have t is equal to 3 seconds. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.